just gonna frame this shot right at this corner. I'm also gonna catch this bus right here. Buses come down quick on this narrow lane right there. But I'm gonna frame this shot right here. So this was a restaurant, and then down there is gonna be a temple. So we're gonna see both of those in about in the next 2 minutes, 3 minutes. So let's walk down that way. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Down that way. Just kind of a row of beautiful trees. We're also going to walk down that space in a minute, and I'll just show you this name of the street as well, and some of the side imagery. So there's some pretty beautiful trees right there. Some nice colonial architecture right here. Capture that right there. And then we're going to view this one. Show you some of this. It's hard to see in the sunlight, I know, but here's the street. So we're going to frame this one. Welcome in English. There we go. So what we're going to do is capture those ones right there, and we're going to capture this right here. I'll try to capture it and frame it just right here. The sun. That's beautiful. The way the sun is coming in. I'm just going to capture a little bit more. I'm just going to show this a little bit. Oh, these are beautiful right here. Wow. Look at that. Really beautiful. I'm just going to show a little bit of detail in this space. These ones right here as well. Detail. And we're going to frame it like that. Get a little bit closer, and you can frame it to the shot. Look at that. It's all the way down there. A bit hard from this angle, so we're gonna come out a little bit, go across, and you can set these beautiful places, like what I'm gonna do right here, and just sit for a minute, take a look at that. Let's kind of walk you through a few things. So over in that direction is Taipa Village, which is where some of my footage that's quite recent from Macau is all over in that area. And over here is kind of a hill, and there's Taipa houses over here, and they overlook a water park. And way over there is a galaxy. So what I'm going to do is just kick back, probably drink a little bit of the Sprite. And enjoy the view.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.